My birthday. My birthday comes on 10th December. My birthday is very memorable and it is one of the happiest day of my life. On my last birthday, I invited my friends to a party. That day my mother and father spent by a busy time making all the arrangements. Mother was very busy cooking in the kitchen. Father was busy decorating the house. He decorated the drawing room with colorful balloons and flowers. At 5 o'clock, my mother gave me a beautiful pink colored cloth with pretty pink roses and laces on it to wear. In the evening, when all the guests arrived, the celebration began. Everyone was waiting for me. They welcomed me by clapping hands. My birthday cake had been placed on a large and beautifully decorated table. I blew the candles and cut the cake. Everyone was singing birthday song for me. I received so many presents. After that, everyone had dinner and their party was over. Now, after enjoying birthday party, gave return gifts to all my friends. It was wonderful party. Thank you.